Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So the year 2016 is coming to an end and I'm very happy about it. It's been a great year. This is the year I started doing YouTube as well, which is great. And so I wanted to share with you my favorites, but with a twist. So these are my surprising favorites, things which I expected that I would not be liking or they would just be average, but they turned out to be my favorites, my regulars, something of that sort. So I have 5 of the things in front of me which I will be sharing with you. The first one is apple cider vinegar. I have been told of its benefits for a very long time now. Like I've been reading about it. People have been telling me about it. My father, my parents, doctors, everybody was saying apple cider vinegar is like a panacea for all cures. It improves digestion. It helps in a little bit of a weight loss. It improves your skin. It improves your hair. Loads of things, and I was like, how can one thing be so good for it? But as we say about aloe vera gel, it has multiple uses. Even this thing out here is a little bit of, let's say, an underdog, but it has great uses. I've been using it every day with some bit of lemon in it, or just with water as well. And I'll be linking my lemon drink. I shared it in one of the vlogs. I would recommend all of you, whatever sizes you are, nothing of that sort. I mean, not just for weight loss, it's great for digestion, great for your skin, and awesome for your hair. It's great for health. So please do try having apple cider vinegar in the morning or at night whenever you can. The second thing that I have is the Tatha lip balm. This is a mango lip balm. So this is a 15-gram lip balm which is for 250 bucks rather. Tatha, of course, is a great cruelty-free, not tested on animals, paraben-free, and it has essential oil, 100% natural kind of a lip balm. It's a great brand. I got to know it from Shaima from the Desert Rose Journals. This is the kind of consistency it has. It's a plain lip balm. Now, there's no texture whatsoever. Now, why I say that it's a surprising favorite? Of course, I had heard great reviews of Tatha. I liked all their products as well in, let's say, principle. But when I saw this lip balm and it had mango flavor in it, I mostly have very dry chapped lips, which is why I mostly use cocoa butter, and I don't use anything citrusy on my lips per se. I have used mint, which is great as well, but for my extremely dry lips, I mostly use cocoa butter. But this thing having mango in it has worked so well on my chapped lips, even during the winter season, though there's not much winter in Bangalore, even during the winter season. And moreover, this is the best lip balm to put under a lipstick. I mean, I have had this problem so many times that my lipstick would start bleeding if I'm using a little bit of extra cocoa butter on my lips. I had stopped actually using cocoa butter on my lips before lipsticks. This thing stays like forever. It's actually can be actually used as a lip primer, not to mention the cute packaging which rests on my dresser very nicely. So yes, this is also one surprising favorite that I had. Third one that I have is an essential oil diffuser. Now this was gifted to me in the beginning of the year, probably by a friend, and they were like that you like essential oils, you love candles, you would definitely like a diffuser. And I was like, diffuser में क्या है यार, ऊपर पानी भर दो, उसमें essential oil डाल दो, यहाँ पे candle जल रही है, क्या नाटक है? But actually, due to this diffuser, my room is mostly filled with the aroma of whichever essential oil I'm using, mostly lavender, as all of you would know. And it looks so cute sitting on my table, even like this. And if you light it, there's, you know, a kind of a shadow, a light shadow kind of a thing. Looks so cute. It actually lifts your mood at the end of the day or on a holiday. So I would actually recommend all of you to use an essential oil diffuser with the essential oil of your choice. Let's say if you have a bit of a cold like I'm having these days, I'm using lemon essential oil. You can also use lemongrass, peppermint, any kind of essential oil of your choice. If you have sleep issues, use lavender. Yes, it has helped me with my sleep issues as well, because I would have lavender aroma around and then it would help me sleep. So yes, that was my third favorite. My fourth favorite is, you have heard a lot about it, it's the Merit VCO coconut oil. So this was a brand which was sent to me for review, surprisingly. So this is not something which I bought on my own. The brand actually contacted me that would you like to review an extra virgin olive oil. I was like, हाँ ठीक है, I can give my honest review. You can actually send it to me. This thing is now my holy grail. I use it almost every day, either for cooking or for putting on my hair or for removing my makeup. for something or the other thing. It's actually extremely light. It has done wonders to my hair, it has done wonders to my skin, and it also works very good as a salad dressing. So this is something that I'm definitely continuing in 2017, continuing using Merit VCO in 2017. And now the fifth favorite, which is not a product, which is not anything of a service or anything of that sort. It's the movie Sultan. Yes, it's the Salman Khan starrer movie Sultan. Now, I've not been a Bhai fan that much. I mostly like Shah Rukh over Bhai, or even over Amir as well. And for me, Bhai has either been the action hero, the Bhai, the Salman Khan, the Dabangg hero, or he has been the Maine Pyar Kiya or Hum Aapke Hain Kaun kind of a lover boy Prem. At max, he has been kind of a very comic actor with a great comic timing in some of his movies that he has, Mujhse Shaadi Karoge and all of that. I never expected Bhai to give such a scintillating performance. He has worked hard on his body. He anyways does, but he has, you know, gained weight, lost weight. Then I expected in Sultan maybe he'll be romancing the heroine and it'll be a regular kind of an action movie. It actually works on uplifting the kind of, you know, the Olympic Games, the wrestling that they were showing, and the Haryana, the way they showed. A person like me who has stayed in Madhya Pradesh and Bombay and Bangalore, of course I read the stories of Sakshi Malik, but I did not know that this much of toil goes into it, and I started appreciating the sport more, other sports rather than cricket and tennis. And Bhai gave such a great performance. I mean, he motivated a lot of people like us to follow your dreams, and Bhai doing it was like very surprising. So these were my favorites for 2016, surprising favorites for 2016. Hope you have a great 2017 as well. And thank you very much for watching Beautiful Within, for supporting me in this year as well. I can take that liberty to thank you all here. And have a great 2017, a very happy new year in advance. Until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Bye-bye.